raspberries. One-fourth cup of sugar and cornstarch, 1 tablespoon, and 2 teaspoons of water. Okay guys, so ang next natin is after 5 minutes cooking, kailangan nating lutuin siya at ma-release yung juice ng raspberries. So, ang next na gagawin natin is kailangan nating i-strain yung jam or yung liquid niya kasi kailangan matanggal yung seed ng raspberries. Actually guys, this is an optional. Kung gusto nyo ng ganyan siya, it's fine, it's okay na ilagay sa cake. Kasi pang feeling ko yan sa chocolate cake na gagawin ko. So, pwede nyo ng ganyan na. So, let it cool. First, ilagay sa fridge for an hour or hanggang kailangan mo siyang i-frosting or i-filling sa cake mo. So, for me guys, dahil ang amo ko ayaw niya ng seed ng raspberries, so kailangan ko itong i-strain para matanggal yung seed niya. Okay? So, ito na siya guys. Ginagawa ko na siya. I-strain ko lang siya. Tingnan ninyo, yung malapot na siya, yun lang ang kailangan ko na i-filling sa cake namin. So, just mix it. Actually, guys, I'm using this strainer kasi wala akong ibang gamitin kundi ito lang. So, ganyan lang siya. Tiyaga lang kasi medyo matagal ang pag-strain para matanggal yung seed ng raspberries. Okay, so madali lang guys. Madali lang gawin pero yung process niya is medyo matagal dahil sa pag-strain natin. Okay, so like that. Ito na yung seed. Ito na siya. Ang next naman natin i-prepare is yung chocolate ganache. So, kailangan natin ng double cream and chocolate chips. So, i-boil lang natin yung hindi siya masyadong boil as long as nilagay ko lang siya sa microwave for 2 minutes. Yung double cream natin. Tapos, ipuhos lang natin sa may chocolate chips. So, kailangan fully covered siya. Huwag galawin guys for 2 minutes. Then after 2 minutes, i-mix ninyo siya. Dahan-dahan lang guys. Habang siya, i-mix mo lang siya habang mainit pa at matanggal na yung chocolate natin. So, yan. Ganito lang kasimple guys. Ganyan lang siya. Just mix it. Okay? So, mabilis lang gawin, guys. I think naman i-prepare natin yung chocolate frosting natin guys, yung butter. So butter is 1 cup, then we need 6 cups of icing sugar, 1 cup of melted chocolate, and 5 tablespoons shifted of cocoa powder. Okay, and we need 4 tablespoons of that whipping cream guys, so just mix it. Wala. I'm sorry guys, hindi ko nakuhanan ng video kanina nagpo-frosting ako kasi wala yung tripod ko nasa taas. So, here is the chocolate raspberries. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and please subscribe and hit